Hi, my name is Shreya Thacker from Sardar Patel Institute of Technology. I'm going to present on cloud computing for this round. Cloud computing is a current buzzword in the air. Cloud computing, to put it simply, means internet computing for the computation done through internet. With cloud computing, the user can access database resource via internet from anywhere for as long as they need without worrying about any maintenance and management for the actual resources. In fact, it is very platform independent in terms of computing. The best example of cloud computing is Google Apps, where any application can be accessed using a browser and it can be deployed on the thousands of computers through internet. Some of the characteristics of cloud computing are: it is cost effective. The cost is greatly reduced as the initial expense, and the recurring expense are much lower than the traditional computing. The maintenance cost is also reduced as a third party maintains everything from running a cloud to storing the data. It has a feature such as platform, device, and device independency, which makes it easily adoptable for any size of business. The third characteristic is security. Security is tremendously improved because of superior technology security system, which is easily available and affordable. The last characteristic is scalability, which is achieved through server virtualization. The architecture of cloud computing involves two main things, that is front end and back end. Front end can be any client or an application that uses a cloud services, and the back end, it is a network of servers with any computer program and data storage system. It is usually assumed that cloud contains infinite storage capacity for any software available in the market. Cloud architecture runs on a very important assumption, that is, the demand for the resource is not always consistent from the client to the cloud. Because of this, the server of a cloud are unable to run at a full capacity. To avoid this, the server virtualization technique is applied. In this, all the physical servers are virtualized and they run multiple servers with either same or the different applications. And the most important part of cloud computing is the security, which is the topmost priority in all the data operations which are performed in the cloud. Suppose if any virus or worm tries to enter on a computer which is on a cloud, then it will affect the individual PC. It won't affect the whole entire network of a cloud computing. Then the cloud computing is also characterized into three main groups, that is platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and software as a service. Software as a service model is most commonly used in cloud computing. In this, cloud can be private or public. A private cloud sells services to anyone on the internet. A public cloud is proprietary network and a data center that supplies hosted services to the limited number of people. When a service provider uses a public cloud resources to create a private cloud, the result is called as virtual private cloud. Private or public, the goal of cloud computing is to provide easy, scalable access to the computing resources and the IT services. All the major companies have come up with their own code-based and non-code-based cloud computing framework. The code-based cloud computing framework mainly includes Java, Python, Ruby on Rails, Microsoft.NET. Well, the cloud computing is the next big thing in the arena of computing and storage. There are some of the concerns about security and its applications. However, some of the different providers are trying to solve these problems and finding out suggestions and solutions for it. In any case, cloud is getting bigger and better as long as they are available through the web services. Without any capital infrastructure and investment at reasonable price, it is for sure to proliferate and create a robust demand in the times to come. Thank you.